Welcome to Code Funhouse. Today, we're diving into the magic behind JavaScript variables. If you've ever wondered how to store and use information in your code, you're in the right place. Lesson 1. What is a JavaScript variable? Simply put, a variable in JavaScript is like a special container. Imagine it as a treasure chest where you can keep important things, like numbers, words, or even true, false values. Lesson 2. How to create a variable. Creating a variable is super easy. In JavaScript, we use the let, var, or const keyword to declare a variable. For example, type let my name equals Alex. Here, we've created a variable called myname and stored the word Alex inside it. Now, whenever we want to use this name, we just call myname instead of typing Alex every time. You can also store numbers in variables. Try typing, let my age equals 12. Now, my age stores the number 12. Cool, right? Lesson 3. Why do we use variables? Variables let us store information and reuse it whenever we need to. Imagine making a game and needing to keep track of the player's score. Instead of writing down the score over and over, you can store it in a variable and update it whenever the score changes. Head over to your Code Funhouse IDE and type let score equals 0. Console.log open bracket, open quote. Your score is, close quote, plus score close bracket, semicolon. This code prints, your score is 0. Now let's change the score. Head over to the next line and type score equals 10 semicolon. Console.log open bracket, open quote. Your new score is, close quote, plus score, close bracket, semicolon. This code prints, your score is 0. Your new score is 10. See how we used the variable score to update and display the new score? That's the magic of variables. Lesson 4. Using const for constant values. Sometimes we want to store information that won't change, like the number of hours in a day, which is always 24. In this case, we use const instead of let. Try typing const hours in a day, E24. Console. Log, there are plus hours in a day plus hours in a day. Fun activity. Let's create a variable to store your favorite food. Type let favorite food equals pizza. Console.log, my favorite food is plus favorite food. Now try changing favorite food to your favorite snack and see what happens. And that's the magic of JavaScript variables. With variables, you can store, change, and use information in your code to create awesome programs. Keep experimenting, and you'll be coding like a pro in no time.